Factory equipment should be easy to diagnose and have the ability to inform about potential issues in advance. Let's start with the fact that inverters can be powered from a laptop's USB, so we do not need to start the power circuit to be able to perform maintenance. The typical way of diagnosing problems is fault occurs, fault diagnosis, fault cause. Another great thing that happens when you connect a laptop, a special AI feature can perform the initial diagnosis of the inverter if the trouble has already happened. Inverters can provide many insights that support early prediction of future problems, including corrosion detection, monitoring of loads. Moreover, inverters monitor the condition of the most important parts, which helps in scheduling their replacement. With all these features, inverters can diagnose themselves. Summary: power supply from a computer's USB port, automatic diagnostics with AI, real-time load monitoring and corrosion detection, parts life monitoring,